Hello everyone, this is Jenny from DJI Academy in Canada. We're proud to be one of our Canadian farming communities. We have shared the T40's flight capabilities to many regions and provinces, and now we want to share this with you. The T40 has an altitude radar which can keep our consistent flight altitude along the canopy of crops, no matter uphill or downhill. The spraying width of the T40 can be adjusted from the remote controller. It's from 4 meters all the way up to 11 meters. It can spray as wide as you need it. So, my friend, how do you like it? Hope you like this video today. Please like and comment. I will see you next time.